Hi, this is Mark Hockman of PC World, and I'm here to show you the surprise of the Surface announcement, the Surface headphones. So Microsoft unveiled the Surface Pro 6, a Surface Studio 2, and a Surface Laptop 2, but it held off these until the very end. Microsoft's obviously made accessories over the years, the Microsoft Surface Mouse, for example, but these are something new, the Surface headphones. The idea is that you need to keep focus when you're working, and to do that, you need to tune out the outside world. And that is what the Surface headphones actually do. Now, normally with Surface headphones in general, some have noise cancellation, some have volume. This has both. There's actually a dial on this side. This controls the volume of the music. There's a dial on this side, though, that controls the volume or the effectiveness of the noise cancellation. This is something that I haven't seen before. In fact, if I dial this down, I can hear the ambient noise. If I dial it up, it vanishes. And this is really cool. There's different levels, numerous levels. I believe it's actually 16 different levels of noise cancellation inside of this. Now, there's a couple of other things that you need to know about this too. First of all, there are 4 mics on this device, so to go ahead and pick up your voice and also to serve as noise cancellation. The mics, though, are important because this, as you might imagine, has Cortana support in it. There's a really cool Cortana app that shows you, as you're dialing down the noise cancellation or dialing up the volume, what the effects are. I don't know a whole lot about noise canceling headphones, but this is probably the most unique thing that I've ever seen. Now, it obviously is a wireless headset. It connects via Bluetooth. We were told that it actually just charges up to, I think it's about an hour in just a very short amount of time. It has a total, though, of 15 hours of battery life, which is great. Now, I don't know exactly what's going to ship, but I do know the price, $349. That's pricey, but it's Surface, and as everything in the Surface environment usually is, Microsoft means Microsoft thinks it's worth it. So that's it. Stay tuned to PC World for more demos from the Surface launch.